Hey there and welcome back to Design Lives Detail. I'm Molly and today I am showing you an updated version of our living room. I finally got this how I wanted it, so let's check it out. If you guys are fans of our channel, we'd love to have you like and subscribe. That helps us out a ton. And I mean, if you're here, it's just a couple clicks, so hook me up. Okay, anyway, I have a fun tour today. This space was one of those that got kind of neglected when we started the house just because, I don't know, there was so many things we were doing at once that I just feel like this room didn't really get the attention it deserved until now. So I ordered probably 4 or 5 different rugs and I kept wanting to find one that had some green tones in it. And I finally feel like we got it right. It's kind of like a deep taupey brown with some beige and then just olive green undertones and brown. So super neutral, but then it still has enough color to not be boring. And the other challenge was getting a big enough rug because I feel most of the time that's the issue, is the rugs are too small for a space. And so this one's actually almost a 12 by 15. I started with a 9 by 12, wasn't big enough. Then I went to like a 10 by 14. And then I feel like the 12 by 15 is perfect. And also finding a balance between getting that size and not spending a fortune, that's the other challenge. And this one is such a great price on Wayfair. So I will link everything for you as always in description, check that out. I also added these little ottomans, which you may have seen before. I kind of have these floating around a house, but they looked so cute with the next to the chairs and give us a little bit of pattern. Still neutral, but just gives a little interest in detail. They have that really fun base with the little round leg that goes all the way around. So really unique there. And then another new thing that I added, these ottomans here, really, really cool. They're like a cream leather. I just wanted kind of some detail and interest over by the fireplace and extra seating so that this really, I feel like, kind of finished off the space. It was lacking like a conversational feel. I feel like we just had the 2 sofas and this was just open. And I think that this kind of finished the look. I love how this space just has the natural light pouring in from these windows. It's almost got like a sunroom greenhouse type feel. Anyway, that's the tour. Let me know if you guys have questions in comments, and you can shop my links below, as always, in description. We'll see you next time.